Alright guys, Josh Tech Gamer back again. You know, honestly, I haven't done a tech video. Hang on, let's just move this down here. Honestly, I haven't done a tech video in a long time. Maybe like, what, 8, 7 months. So I'm doing one without the shades. Everybody knows I've been live streaming so much and grinding, so I want to do a little unboxing. I'm not going to have the green screen set up for purpose reasons. I'm just gonna have the green screen. So yeah, so we're just gonna do an unboxing on the new 27-inch Asus monitor, 16:9. The reason I'm doing an unboxing on this is because I wanted to just unbox it and show you guys what I got. I got the Asus VG278, 144 hertz and 1 millisecond. Show you guys again. There it is right there. That's the beast. So the reason I bought this is because I'm actually recording and streaming. I do have a 21:9 ultra wide monitor, LG 2560 by 1080, and I've been using that for streaming and stuff, and I do get the overlays and stuff. But I'm going to be using the LG monitor, the ultra wide, as a second monitor. Still using triple monitors and use this as my gaming monitor, so you guys won't see the bars when I'm streaming. So that's the reason why. And plus, this is a gaming monitor. The one I have is only 60 hertz. If you guys want to check out my LG unboxing review, I'll put it down in the below in the playlist. You guys could go to the tech playlist. I just wanted to do this, and we're just gonna unbox it. I'm not wearing my sunglasses. I know everybody's gonna be shocked because in the streams I wear the shades. It's just for the stream. I don't mind showing my face. So we're gonna do a real quick unboxing. I'm just gonna tell you what about it. Then I'll do a review maybe down the road, maybe a couple weeks, maybe 3 weeks. We'll do an actual review on it, give you more detail about it. So we're just doing unboxing. I don't have a lot of room here, so it's gonna be kind of like it's gonna be kind of tough to get like the whole thing in here. So let's just get into this. We're gonna open this up. Now, the reason I wanted to get this is because I wanted a gaming monitor, and plus it was my birthday, so this is kind of like a birthday present. So, happy birthday to me. So, and honestly, the LG has been a great monitor. I do recommend the LG 2560 by 1080, but this is 1920 by 1080 Asus. But it's okay, I'm going down a little lower in resolution, but I'm getting the 1 millisecond and 144 hertz. Asus, good monitor to get. So let's unbox this. All right, so the first thing we get, open these up, we're gonna get the HDMI port and display ports. So I think they gave me two. Why they gave me two? Jesus, really? I do want a display port, because it is better and I could get the 144 hertz. No, display port. I'm sorry. This is the display port. I thought it was. This is just the HDMI. That's the one I want. So that's really cool. But my graphics card is going to be able to handle this. If you guys want to know about my PC stuff, go check my playlist, tech playlist out below. And yeah, you definitely you can see that. Now I am running a 1060 6 gigs GeForce GTX DDR4. So if you guys want to know, that's my graphics card. And you guys watch my streams, everything's great. So I'm gonna get back in more tech videos, unboxings, and doing reviews and stuff. So I know I haven't done it for so long because I've been streaming so much, and YouTube's been pushing me up there and trying to get everything up there in gaming. So I had to hustle a lot. So yeah, there's the display port right here. You guys can tell because it's that got just two connections like that. So we're definitely gonna need that. And see what else do we get. Holy crap, I even get this. Oh my god, I even got this. I got the dual link. Wow, I don't know, man. They came with all of them. They came with all of them. I got the dual link. This is good too. Wow. And this is kind of old school because I know people go HDMI, but these are actually good. So we get that. We'll put that to the side. I wasn't going to do an unboxing video on this, but I figured I wanted to, and I think I should. And honestly, because I'm a tech gamer and I've been doing a lot of tech reviews and unboxings and stuff, and I think that it was just time to do another one. And it's been literally like 8 months since I done one. So it's been a long time. And some of my subscribers are keep asking me, Josh, when you gonna do another deck video? So we got this. This is more likely the power thing that plugs in. So this comes with it. So definitely excited for that. We got the other piece that goes with it. It's the same thing. We got the power that connects to it. So this will connect to the actual the brick part. So it's very small. I like that. And the reason I went to Asus is because of the thin bezels, really thin bezels. I like BenQ. BenQ is good, but the BenQ is kind of thick and bulky, and I'm more of a thin bezel dude. So now it comes with the monitor. I'm not going to use the monitor stand, and it is adjustable too, adjustable height, so you can adjust it, and that's pretty dope. Here's the stand. It's really nice. You could twirl it probably. Yeah, you could twirl it and stuff, so that's pretty cool. You could rotate it. So this is the stand. I'm not going to be using it because I'm going to attach it to the back of my my monitor arm. So rapid refresh, 144 hertz, 1 millisecond, extreme low motion blur, game fast, flicker free, ultra low blue light, AMD FreeSync. So I was just reading all the specs on that, so if you guys want to know. So I will definitely keep this on the side just in case if I do need to use it later on. I've been actually wanting to get an actual gaming monitor because now I'm gaming more. Alright, so here's the monitor. Actually, that's pretty freaking huge. Really? I mean, it kind of looks like an ultra wide. Can't be ultra wide, is it? Like big as my as big as my ultra wide monitor. Weird. It almost looks like it's ultra wide. Kind of throwing me off. You know why? Probably why? Because it's a 27-inch. It's a lot bigger. So I swear it looks like an ultra wide. Look. The video on this and giving you a review on it. I'm gonna be hooking it up and everything. So I just want to do a little short unboxing on it. I did get it first and I bought it on Amazon, but I bought it in the store and I got the deal. So I got the warranty. So it came out to $300 with tax. So not bad for Asus 27-inch monitor, 1 millisecond, 144 hertz. So all right, guys, that's about it. I just want to do a little unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys want to check out my other playlists, I'll put it down in the description below. And there's more tech stuff. I'll put it in my tech unboxing playlist. I do live streams, so if you guys want to come by the live stream, watch me live stream, and watch me die in Fortnite and all those games, and just have fun, you know. And I do play with my subscribers in Fortnite only. So thanks guys for watching Josh Tech Gamer, and I will check you guys later.